Hello and welcome. Myself, Muhammad Tayyib, and my roll number is PCS 20237. Today I'm going to show you a chatbot that I've created as an assignment for AI. The chatbot's name is LibraryBot. It is about a library. I'm going to show you the information about the chatbot. So the default description and its settings are basically the language is in English and other general settings. Now there are two important things that I would like to talk about: intents and entities. Intents are whatever a user says, it gives an answer based on it. So it is by which it understands what a user is saying. So by default, an agent comes with two default intents: default welcome intent and default fallback intent. Whenever a user uses phrases such as hi, hello, the default welcome intent is activated. I'm going to show you the inner of how it does that. So whenever a user asks hi, hello, and any one of these expressions, or any expression would give the same meaning as these expressions, it will be activated. And when this intent is activated, chatbot gives one of these responses. Likewise, it has another default intent, which is fallback intent. It is activated when a user asks something which chatbot doesn't understand. Apart from these two default intents, there are other user-defined intents as well. And all of these intents are what I've defined. Like, for example, who, reserve, order, hours, genre, branches, and based. Who intent, for example, is activated whenever chatbot is asked about who it is. So I'm going to show you what it looks like from inside. So these are one of the expressions that a user can ask, or anything that would give the same meaning as these expressions. And then this prompt is intent is activated, and it will give this response. So one can define anything inside these responses. So since it was a who intent, I defined the information that chatbot would give about itself. Likewise, I've created other intents related to what information it can give back, like based, where it is based, branches, the branches that the library has, and genre, hours it is opened, order, whenever a user wants to order a book, this intent will be activated, and reserve, whenever a user wants to reserve a sitting at a library, this intent will be activated. There are more features that you can add within an intent. For example, you can specify which information user must give whenever an intent is activated. For example, for reserve intent, it requires these three important information without which it cannot proceed. So whenever this is activated, it will make sure that all three information is gathered from the user before it gives a response. So I will show you when I will show you the final results, and you will see how it will keep asking the information until all the three are checked, and then it will give you the final response, which will be the reservation. And these three enclosed or preceded by at are what we call entities. Entities are specific variables where we store information that a user sends. So there are system entities which are predefined by the system, and there are custom which you yourself can create. I created these three entities: book, genre, location. So book contains all of the books that a user can order. Genre contains the type of books that a user can ask, or user can ask what type of genre are available, and then the chat will respond based on that, and the location at which user can reside. So these were all the details which I wanted to show. Now let us see how the chatbot actually looks like in action. So this is the chatbot, and here let us start with the introduction. So hi, good day, what can I do for you today? Who are you? I'm a library bot here to help you sitting at one of your local libraries or get you a fine book for reading. Where are you based? So it's based in Pakistan. Which cities? And it says that it's available in Lahore, Karachi, Gujranwala, Islamabad and Faisalabad. I want to reserve a sitting. What location do you want to reserve a sitting? So when I ask this, and it asks you a question, which location it wants you to save a sitting, it wants you to reserve a sitting for, Gujranwala. And then it asks which day I would like to come, Tuesday. And what time, let's say 3 p.m. A sitting has been reserved for you in Gujranwala for Tuesday 3 p.m. After that, I can ask him to order a book. I want to order a book. Where do you reside? It asks you for where you reside. I live in Gujranwala. Which book do you want? I can say I want Sherlock Holmes. And it says Sherlock Holmes order is placed for you at Gujranwala. So that was the chatbot that I wanted to show you. Thank you so much. Bye.